My name is Carlos Montesinos. I'm talking about the silent machines for 6 years ago.
At the beginning of 2001, sales were by $16 million, but between 2002 and 2003, they remained at a level to $13 million. On the other hand, in 2004, sales increased rapidly from 13 million to $17 million. In 2005, they decreased slightly to $1 million. Then in 2006, sales increased until the next year.